तो कैसे यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग नीड और नीड्स का? अगर हमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ पे नीड और नीड्स के तुरंत बाद जिस भी हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है उस ऑब्जेक्ट को रखते हैं। और मान लो अगर हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत ना हो, अगर हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत हो, तब उसकी जगह पे हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं नीड टू और नीड्स टू अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सब्जेक्ट। कि अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट अगर सिंगुलर रहता है तब हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं नीड्स टू के साथ जो भी एक्शन करने की ज़रूरत है उसे फर्स्ट फॉर्म में रखते हैं। और अगर जो है अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट अगर प्लूरल होता है तो जो भी चीज़ हमें करने की ज़रूरत होगी उसे हम लोग किसके साथ रखते हैं? हमेशा नीड टू के साथ। ठीक है, कौन सी फॉर्म में? फर्स्ट फॉर्म। तो मैं सबसे पहले कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा आप लोगों से, ठीक है, और मुझे बताना कि मुझे क्या करने की ज़रूरत है। ठीक है, फिर मैं आप लोगों से एग्जाम्पल पूछूंगा। ओके, सो इफ़ आई एम फीलिंग थर्स्टी, इफ़ आई एम फीलिंग थर्स्टी, व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डू? I need to drink some water. And if I am feeling hungry, then what do I need to do? I need to eat some food. And if I am feeling sick, what do I need to do? I need to take some medicines. Okay, what do I need to do if I am feeling exhausted, very tired? What do I need to do? I need to take some rest. What do I need to do if I want to become the best dancer? Okay, I need to practice for dancing every day. That also I can say. As well as you can say that you need to join a dance academy. You need to join a You need to perform on the stage. You need to participate in dance competitions. You need to participate in dance competition. What do I need to do if I want to make my body like Bahubali? What do I need to do? I need to join a or I need to eat healthy food. I need to do hard work. I need to do hard work every day, like also you can say. What do I need to do if no one likes my behavior?
You need to change your behavior.
Of course, so definitely I need to change my behavior if no one likes my behavior. What do I need to do if no one likes my words? If no one likes my words, what do I need to do? अगर लोगों को मेरे शब्द पसंद नहीं आते, what do I need to do? I need to change my or I need to use my words wisely. I need to use my words wisely. Okay, what do I need to do if I want to earn lots of money? I need to find a job first thing. Or if I want to earn lots of money, I need to invest my money. I need to start my own business. I need to set up my own company or own business, like someone can also say. What do I need to do if I want to become billionaire? What do I need to do?
You need to become a business.
I need to start my own business, or I need to set up my own company. Or someone can also say that you need to purchase shares, or you need to invest your money in share market. You need to invest your money in share market. What do I need to do if I want to become the best actor? क्या करने की ज़रूरत है अगर मुझे बेस्ट एक्टर बनना है तो? An acting academy. I need to join an acting academy. Or I need to practice for acting every day. Or I need try to act or I need to act in front of mirror. I need to participate in acting competitions. What do I need to do if I want to become knowledgeable? What do I need to do if I want to become knowledgeable? I need to read more and more books, or I need to listen more. That's not necessary that you can become knowledgeable by only reading. You can also become knowledgeable by listening. So you need to read and listen more and more, or you need to give your more time, or you need to give more time in in reading and listening. Someone can say that I need to change my behavior. I need to change my. Someone can say that I need to change my way of talking. I need to change my way of talking. Like someone can say I need to change my profession. I need to change my profession. Someone can say I need to change my job. I need to change my. Someone can say I need to resign from this job. I need to. Like we need to do something great for our country. We need to do something great for our country. We need to think. We need to think twice before speaking. We need to think twice before speaking. Like if you really want to improve your communication skills, the first thing is you need to speak. You need to speak, or you need to try to speak without feeling hesitation or without thinking about others. Without thinking about others, that what people will think. What people will. If you want to make our environment clean, if you want to make our environment clean, you need to plant more and more trees. You need to keep your surroundings clean. You need to throw garbage in the dustbin. You need to throw garbage in the. What do I need to do if I want to lose my anger?
You need to meditation.
I need to do meditation. If you really want to lose your anger, you need to do meditation. You need to do meditation. What do I need to do if I want to become healthy?
You need to take healthy food.
Or I need to eat healthy food. I need to eat
I need
healthy
to have join gym.
like someone can say, or you need to join a gym if you want to become healthy. What do I need to do if I want to impress others? If I want to impress others, what do I need to do?
I need to become smart.
I need to become smart. If I want to
You need
impress
to
others,
improve your personality.
you need to improve your personality. Like you can say that if you really want to become a good speaker, if you really want to become a good speaker, you need to change your way of talking. You need to change your way of. If you want to become wise, if you want to become a wise person, you need to control on your words. You need to control on your words. You need to choose your words wisely. You need to choose your words wisely. Like you need to change yourself. You need to change yourself rather than changing others. Rather than changing. You need to think about yourself. You need to think about yourself rather than thinking about others. You need to improve. You need to improve yourself rather than improving others. You need to change your mentality. You need to change your mentality rather than changing people's mentality. You need to advise yourself. You need to advise yourself rather than advising others. You can say that I need to become a good doctor. I need to become a scientist. I need to become a. You can say I need to become a good engineer. I need to become a good engineer. Someone can say I need to become a software developer. I need to become a software developer. Someone can say I need to become a web designer. I need to become a. So many things which you need to do. Someone can say I need to go, I need to attend a call, I need to call my friend, I need to attend my friend's wedding, I need to attend my friend's wedding. Someone can say I need to change my clothes, I need to change my. Someone can say I need to recharge my phone, I need to recharge my. Someone.
I need to join a job.
I need to eat something, I need to go there, I need to help them, I need to help them, I need to help you, I need to advise you, you need to listen me, you need to listen your parents, you need to listen your parents. You can say that I need to make my career great, I need to make my future great, I need to make my future great. I need to meet my cousin. I need to go to Delhi. I need to go to Delhi to attend my friend's wedding or something. I need to attend that meeting anyhow. I need to attend that meeting. I need to invite my old friends on my birthday. I need to invite my old friends on my birthday. Also you can say. Someone can say I need to change my mind. I need to change my mind. Like someone can say I need to score more marks than you. I need to score someone can say I need to top this year. I need to top this year in my college, in my school, in my school.